So on this adventure, it's 78 Fahrenheit, 25.5 Celsius. This is a walk before dinner. I'm walking them early because they said the rain's going to start coming down in about 15 minutes. There's a big storm in Missouri. Some tornado's been reported. I'm going to trim some roses. They're pretty. Pretty roses. So I figure I'll walk them now. Because we're going to sit down and watch a movie for the next couple hours. Look at that sky up there. Come on, let's go. Anyway, it's supposed to be a fast-moving storm. It's supposed to be out here in the next hour or two. Birdies. I was going to wait till after the storm. I'll welcome again after we eat, watch a movie. I'm off the next week, so it's windy out. I got my wind muffler on. I can feel a couple sprinkles already. Yep. Hurry up, puppies. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Neighbors had his backyard here cut today. I cut mine yesterday. I think it was yesterday, yeah. A lot of birds out. Hear that thunder? Hear that thunder? Except like they've been reported not far from here. I don't know if this mic can pick up that thunder or not, because I got the wind muffler on it. The little grapes. Little grapes. Oh, oh, Robin with the worm. I walked in this morning and there was a rabbit here. He went from the backyard to the front yard. Puppy's trying to get him. I wouldn't let him though.